25. Choose the correct answer from those given. 1. The straight line y plus x minus 1 equals 0 touches the curve of the function f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus a. Then a equals 1, 2, 3 or 4. So the slope of the straight line y plus x minus 1 equals the slope of the tangent to the curve x squared minus 3x plus a. And also they have a common point. So first we will determine the slope of the straight line y plus x minus 1 equals 0. So y dash plus 1 minus 0 equals 0. It means y dash equals negative 1. So this is the slope of the straight line. What about the slope of the tangent to the curve? We have f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus a. So f dash of x, it is the slope of the tangent to the curve, equals 2x minus 3. So y dash, which equal negative 1, equals 2x minus 3. And then we write 2x minus 3 equals negative 1. And then 2x equals negative 1 plus 3, which equal 2. So x equals 1. X equal 1 is the point of tangency between the straight line and the curve. Now we determine the y coordinate, substituting in the equation of the straight line. So we have y plus 1 minus 1 equals 0. Then we get y coordinate of the point of tangency equals 0, as 1 minus 1 equals 0. Now we have the point of tangency is 1 and 0. It means this point lies on the curve because it is the point of tangency. So substituting x equal 1 and y equals 0 in the original equation to the curve. So we have 0 equals 1 minus, of course we have here 1 square, minus 3 multiply 1 plus a. So we have 1 square minus 3, it is negative 2, plus a equals 0. It means a equals 2, and the solution will be letter B. Question number 2. The tangent to the curve of the function y equals cubic root of x at x equals 0 parallel to. We have y equals cubic root of x. We wanted to find the slope of the tangent to the curve, and then we determine if it parallel to x-axis or y-axis, or the straight line y equals x, or the straight line x plus y equals 0. Since y equals cubic root of x, so y equals x power 1 over 3. It means y dash equals 1 over 3 x power 1 over 3 minus 1, which equal 1 over 3 x power negative 2 over 3. This is y dash. So again we write y dash equals 1 over 3 multiply 1 over x power 2 over 3, and we can write it in the form, this form of the root, multiply 1 over cubic root of x square. When x equals 0 from the given here, when x equals 0, we have y dash equals 1 over 3 multiply 1 over, substituting x equals 0, 0 square equals 0, and its cubic root equals 0. It's undefined. So y dash is undefined. When the slope of the tangent is undefined, so it is perpendicular to x-axis, and it is parallel to y-axis, and we will choose letter B as a solution. So the tangent to the curve of the function y equals the cubic root of x at x equals 0 is parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis. The equation of the normal to the curve y equals f of x at the point 1 and 1 is x plus 4y equals 5. Then f dash of 1 equals negative 3, negative 1 over 4, 4, negative 4. We have the equation of the normal to the curve at the point 1 and 1 is x plus 4y equals 5. So how we get the slope of the normal? By differentiating both sides with respect to x. We have the derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 4y is 4y dash equals 0, and then y dash equals negative 1 over 4. This is the slope of the normal. So what is the slope of the tangent? We have the product of slope of tangent multiply the slope of the normal, always equals negative 1. So the slope of the tangent multiply negative 1 over 4 equals negative 1. It means the slope of the tangent equals positive 4, negative 1 dividing negative 1 over 4. So f dash of x equals 4. It means f dash of 1, it's constant here, no variable. So f dash of 1 also equals 4, and we choose letter C. Question number 4. The tangent to the curve y equals 3x square minus 5 at the point 1 and the negative 2, but through the point one of these points. So first we'll find the equation of the tangent. We'll find the equation of the tangent, and then we will choose one of these points, starting with its slope. The slope of the tangent we denoted by the symbol mt equals y dash, which equal 6x. It is the slope of the tangent. At the point 1 and the negative 2, we have x coordinate equals 1 here. So y dash equals 6 multiply 1, which equals 6. Again, the tangent to the curve y equals 3x squared minus 5 at the point 1 and the negative 2, but through the point one of these points. First, we'll calculate the slope of the tangent to the curve. It is the first derivative of this equation. So y dash equals 6x minus 0, of course. Okay? At the point 1 and the negative 2, we calculate y dash. Y dash equals 6 multiply 1, which equals 6. Now, the equation of the tangent equals y minus y1 m, its slope, multiply x minus x1. It means y minus, we have here y1, the point of tangency is negative 2. So we have y plus 2 equals m, it is equal 6, multiply x minus 1. And to complete, simplify, we have y plus 2 equals 6x minus 6. Then y equals 6x minus 8, as negative 2 minus, negative 6 minus 2 here equals negative 8. It's clear that this point is 0 and the negative 8. When you substitute x equals 0, here we have y equals 6 multiply 0 minus 8 equals negative 8. Negative 8. 0 minus 8 equals negative 8. So the tangent to the curve y equals 3x minus 5 at the point 1 and the negative 2, but through the point 0 and the negative 8. So the required point is 0 and the negative 8, and we will choose letter D. Question number 5. The slope of the normal to the curve of the function y equals the absolute of x power 3 at the point negative 2 and 8 is, again, the required is to calculate the slope of the normal to the curve of the function. Here, the normal to the curve of the function. First, we'll start with the function y equals absolute of x power 3 here. So it is equal negative x power 3 when x less than or equal 0, and it is equal x power 3 when x is greater than 0. But here x coordinate equals negative 2. X coordinate equals negative 2. So x is less than 0. So we consider y equals negative x power 3. if x coordinate is positive we'll choose x power 3, positive x power 3. But here we have the x coordinate is negative 2, so lies on this interval. So we'll define y equals absolute of x power 3 as negative x power 3. And now we will calculate the slope of the tangent. It is y dash equals negative 3x square. At the point negative 2 and 8, y dash of negative 2 equals negative 3 multiply negative 2 square, which equal negative 12, as negative 2 square equals 4 multiply negative 3 equals negative 12. It is the slope of the tangent. Okay, what is the slope of the normal? The slope of the normal mn equals positive 1 over 12. Of course, there is a relation between the two slopes, the slope of tangent and the slope of the normal. This relation is m tangent, the slope of the tangent, multiply the slope of the normal, always equals negative 1.